Team, just a quick walk around the ECR2000. Okay, so what are the changes between the ECR2000 and the 1800? Obviously moving to the 60-volt architecture, 2000 watt. Please note, Crossfire always quotes their figures as nominal, not peak. So even though this engine can probably peak out at 2,500 watts, that's not how we quote it. 2000 is what the bike can maintain all day, every day for hours on end. And 2,500 or 3,000 peak, that could be seconds. And you've got no idea when you're buying that, when they quote peak, what that duty cycle is, how many seconds it is. So always, Crossfire is always going to quote you the nominal figure. We may quote you the peak because so many of our competitors are doing it now, but we prefer not to. We prefer to be nice and honest with you guys. So some awesome features, obviously. You've got your new display. I don't know if you can see it, LCDs never show up nicely. So your trip meter, your odometer, how many volts the battery is at the moment, your time, your battery gauge, and obviously all the modes. And you can see in different modes the machine will behave differently. So like if we put on mode 1, you will see particular top speed. Then we can change it to mode 2. And then if we go to mode 3, so you got your theoretical top speeds. So this bike been one of our most powerful dirt bikes that we do. And again, guys, something to always note, this is a dirt bike. Please make sure that you have an adequate place to ride it. We recommend, obviously, private property, your local motocross club, wherever it is. Definitely not a road registrable bike, and definitely not for street use. So here's a little rundown of the Crossfire ECR2000.